How's it going? And welcome back to another trading recap video. So today is Thursday, but I'm doing the recap for yesterday, Wednesday the 14th. I had a bit of a busy afternoon, so I'm just going to do the recap today, get that all summarized up. Okay, so ignore this P&L here. This was my P&L from yesterday. I was plus 117, $117 and 80 cents. So it was a pretty good day. I traded well on stock BIAF, which I have up right here. I traded this one and also SPRC. Now this one I did all right on. It gave some good opportunity. Well, this is today. Or is it? No, this is right here. So yeah, it gave some good opportunity off the open. I tried one trade here when it broke out. And then I tried another trade here anticipating the breakout. This one ended up being a small green. This was kind of a flat trade, so nothing too much on this stock. It was a little bit cheaper, not my favorite price range. Yeah, so that's that with that one. And I'm gonna get over to BIAF. So initially, it looked really good pre-market. This is I think this one is a recent IPO, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, yep, this was a recent IPO. So it's been trading for about 2 weeks now, a little less than 2 weeks. And off the open, the pre-market chart looks pretty good. So I was looking to see, because we were right around VWAP. If we were going to dip, I was looking for the dip and rip. And then it was really silly because the market opened, and it did basically what I was looking for, but I was silencing my phone because I had forgot to do that. And as soon as the market opened, it was spamming me notifications for stuff being up and down, and so that was a bit frustrating there. But I did end up doing well because when it popped over this level, it gave a nice trade from this pre-market pivot here at 57, and I bought in. And the trouble is I've been trying to get a little bit better at, instead of buying and selling into every pop, I'm trying to buy, and maybe if I want to sell into the pop, sell half, and then hold the other half to see if we're going to get the move higher. Because I've been realizing that the other half I could stop out for break even, but it seems like most of the time, with certain trades, I'm in and out a little bit too quick, and I'm leaving a little bit of the upside on the table. So I'm gonna just test selling half, see if I can get used to it, see if it's gonna be beneficial. So I tried doing it here where I got in about 80, and then we had the pop up to 90. But I was typing in, I was trading with 500 shares, so I went from 500 to 250, and in that time that I was typing in 250, we went from 590 back to 84, where I sold half, then sold the other half break even. So it would have been a 10-cent winner, ended up really being like a 4-cent winner because I was trying to adjust that. So that's just, it's gonna take a little practice for me to get used to that. But then I ended up having a really nice trade. Where was it? I had a nice trade here before it broke out. On this pullback here to the whole $1.06, I ended up having a nice trade there. And then I had another trade here when we broke. This was a daily resistance, this top blue line here. And when we broke out over 650, we pulled back and gave a really nice dip and rip for the retest of highs. And that's kind of the trade that I did today on, what was the stock, on ATXG, that didn't work. I ended up flushing 20 cents, or I flushed 60 cents, but I got out for my stop loss. So, that was okay. But, that's just, it goes to show that the setup does work when the stock is really hot. But unfortunately, we didn't get that. So we ended up having a halt on BIF right here. BIAF, gotta say that slower. And we gave a dip and rip, but I didn't take it because it opened flat, and it dipped more than I was anticipating. It dipped almost 20 cents here. It was actually more than 20 cents, like 21. Anyway, and then we ripped up here, and I did 2 trades in this candle right here where we had, I'm not gonna bother with a 15-second because I don't think I was really looking at it. But we had the dip once we broke out over this high of candle, and I bought in that. And then again for here. So that ended up being 2 nice trades on it that got me up. Yeah, 117 bucks on the day on it. And then there was another opportunity here. I took one stab at it when we had this breakout. I ended up stopping out for a real small loser, and then we flushed. And that was basically that for this stock for the rest of the day. We gave one move over VWAP here, ended with the big red candle. Big red volume, I should say, on a flush. So, no good for if you're a bull. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it to wrap up. There was really only 2 stocks that I traded yesterday, and I did pretty well on BIAF. This is a stock that I've done well in the past, so hopefully this one gives some more opportunity in the future. But for now, that's going to wrap it up for me. I'll be back on Monday. Hope you guys trade safe, trade smart, and I'm out of here. Later.